Welcome back to this channel where we are all about learning Haitian Creole lessons. If this is your first time, we'll welcome you. We encourage you to comment and subscribe. Check out our previous lessons, as sometimes we try to build on prior lessons so we can improve our vocabulary. Let's go ahead and start with the months of the year. Moyo. 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 January. Janvier. 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 February. Février. Février. March. Mars. 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 April. Avril. 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 May. Mai. 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 June. Juin. 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 July. Juillet. 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 August. Août. 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 September. Septembre. 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 October. Octobre. 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 November. Novembre. 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 December. Décembre. 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 This concludes this lesson today about the months of the year. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel so you can keep improving or learn Haitian Creole.